You've probably heard the importance of appreciation in relationships, and if you're like most people, you've also probably thought, why should I thank my partner for doing basic stuff? Nobody thanks me for taking out the garbage or loading the dishwasher. It makes so much sense that we think this. These things are the bare minimum, the things that need to be done. And here's the crazy part. That belief is quietly sabotaging your connection without you even seeing it. I am Lindsay. This is Loving with Intention. Let's dive in because what I'm sharing can completely change the vibe in your relationship. If you have had these thoughts, I totally get it. I used to be right there with you. And I've had clients tell me, I don't want to say thank you when he does the dishes, or I don't want to say thank you when she puts gas in the car after she's been driving around all day and I need the car in the morning. The thought is often, my partner isn't going above and beyond. They're being functioning adults. They don't need to be showered with appreciation for that. And often there's another thought. They aren't actually doing the things that would really make me feel good. So I don't want to thank them for their bare minimum. And they think that they're just killing it in the relationship. This all makes a ton of sense. We are talking about some pretty basic stuff, things that happen daily. It can feel forced or really redundant to keep saying thank you for these things. And here's what most people miss. Appreciation is not about the thing that's being done. It's not about throwing a parade, giving your partner a trophy, or suggesting that they're doing you a massive favor. It is about something so much deeper. When you thank your partner for taking out the garbage again, or tell them that you appreciate them unloading the dishwasher that night, maybe every night, you're not saying, wow, you are amazing at doing basic adult tasks. You are actually saying, I see you. I notice your contribution to our life together, to our marriage. Think about it this way. You thank the barista for making a coffee that you just paid $6 for. You thank your coworker for sending you a quick email. You thank a random person who just opened the door for you. Yet somehow we've convinced ourselves that our partners deserve less courtesy and less appreciation than strangers do. Bless us truly for this. It happens so innocently in our lives, in our relationships. And here's what happens when you actually shift the perspective. Those small moments of appreciation become tiny connection points throughout the day. Your partner feels seen instead of taken for granted. Every time you share an appreciation, you're adding something positive to the day. In our relationships, we need a lot of positives to stay connected because the inevitable challenging moments, they stand out really big in our minds because of our nervous systems, the way that our brains work. We need to have a positive override of good things. And if you're thinking, they don't appreciate me, someone gets to go first. You deserve so much appreciation, and your partner is way more likely to start telling you what they appreciate if they start hearing it regularly from you. So at this point, the way that I see it is you kind of have two choices. If things aren't the way that you wish they were in your marriage, you can either just keep on rolling and hoping that things get better, or you get to start creating an upward spiral of positivity in your marriage by choosing to go first with appreciation, even for those everyday things. You can really level things up by grabbing my free superpowered appreciation. Just pop super in the comments and I will share it with you. This kind of appreciation, it literally rewires your brain for more gratitude and more appreciation, which is obviously the best. So your intentional action for the week is to start sharing more appreciation with your partner without expectation. This is you choosing to lean in. Filling your love account is one of the most important things in relationships. An empty love account leads to more conflict, bickering, disconnection. We get to choose to fill it up, and you can check out the video on the screen to find out what it's all about and more ways that you can fill it. I'm sending so much love into your day. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. So pop the word super in the comments and let's have a super intentional week.